I saw Play-Doh.
Yeah, have him put it on. You gonna get him a treat for keeping it on? What treat are you gonna give him? Where are the treats? Get him a treat. Let's get them when you wanna feed him. Yes. You need help holding it? Yeah.
Good boy. Now can we get some This Scotty, come back. Scotty, sorry. Scotty, goodbye. You get him again. Not
Let me
you.
first. Let me first.
Scotty, boo-boo.
Alright. We're gonna donate some stuff to you.
Oh boy. Now him Come back.
Hey, sit.
Sit.
Put him on. Come on.
Sit,
Scotty,
boy.
sit.
Sit.
Stay.
Stay.
He's focused on me. Alright, put it on. What's her name now?
This is Elsa.
Princess Elsa. Good boy, Scotty. You're a good sport.
Now play.
You lost him. On his
Play-Doh.
neck.
Nothing Play-Doh. It's not Play-Doh. Yeah, buddy.
What are you playing with?
It's Play-Doh.
All right, put it up on the table. Can you open it? For now.
No baby tears anymore.
Yeah. I think you open it from the other side because it's already open. Have you played with this before?
No, it's not open yet.
It's open right here. Have you played with it before?
Yeah,
Yeah. What is it?
a Play-Doh.
But what do you play as?
Play this. No. You don't take me here, buddy.
Whoa. Play-Doh. Looks like you can play as a dentist.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
You be man dentist, I be king.
Kid dentist.
Auntie.
Who you play now?
Huh? Huh? No, please.
His teeth have a lot of red on them, huh?
Open his mouth.
Can you open it?
Now,
have to be a dentist and take out teeth?
Yeah.
Alright, brush his teeth on again.
Yeah, some was all bad. Ooh, some teeth falling out.
I don't know, are teeth supposed to be purple? Right there, right there.
Yay!
Can you close his mouth?
Yeah.
See how he looks? Now that you fixed his mouth up. Oh no, his tooth is falling out.
Ow.
Ah!
Oh boy.
Can you fix him?
Yeah. Here. Here. Now, close it. Yay!
Happy.
Yeah? Yes. There you go, man.
Thank you, Ray. Oh, my teeth! My teeth fell. Oh, my teeth are falling out. What did you do to me? Oh,
I can
no.
fix you. I can help you.
You can help?
And we're so good. Look.
It's...
Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. Ooh, little teeth. Damn it. Still miss.
Just squish his mouth.
There you go, miss.
Thank you.